In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your job search on Glassdoor. Quick Job 2026. We'll quickly fine-tune a key setting inside Glassdoor so you get smarter, more relevant guidance while you search. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to control the recommendations you receive. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Glassdoor account. This part is quick. Just enter your credentials and you'll land on the homepage. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where Glassdoor groups your personal settings, saved items, and the preferences that control how the platform communicates with you. From the drop-down, select Notifications. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can adjust what updates you receive and how personalized they are. Think of it as your control center for helpful nudges versus inbox noise. On the notifications page, locate the section labeled Profile Recommendations. Click it to expand the options. This is where Glassdoor offers guidance based on your profile and activity, and it can be a powerful way to surface small improvements that lead to better job matches. Within that section, you'll see options to enable or disable two types of messages: suggestions for improving your profile, and recommendations to optimize your job search. Turn these on if you want tailored insights like filling in missing skills, clarifying your title, or discovering roles that align more closely with your background. If you prefer fewer interruptions, you can toggle either one off and rely on manual browsing instead. A helpful tip: start with both toggled on so you can gauge the value of the advice. Then dial it back if you feel overwhelmed. As you adjust these toggles, your choices will autosave. There's no extra button to press. You can navigate away at any time and your preferences will stick. If you revisit later, the toggles should reflect exactly what you said, so you always stay in control. That's it. Go to glassdoor.com, log in, open your profile menu, head into Notifications, expand Profile Recommendations, and enable or disable the suggestions that serve you best. With these preferences tuned, you'll cut through noise, keep your profile sharper, and surface opportunities that match what you actually want. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting!